We all want to look good, and having great skin is an important part of our appearance. Yet 8 in 10 people are plagued with blemishes, clogged pores, and pimples. In fact, acne is a common skin disease that affects more than 60 million Americans. And while associated with teenagers and young adults, almost 50% of women between the ages of 20 to 50 years old suffer from acne at different times, leaving both physical and emotional scars.
I have been suffering from acne since I was in junior high school. It's been about 10 years, and it's always made me feel really bad about myself, really ashamed and embarrassed. There have been days when I didn't want to leave my house, where I stayed home from important events because I was so embarrassed about the way my face looked.
Medical experts say the first course of action for many Americans that struggle with acne is often oral antibiotics and topical creams, gels, and lotions, but there can be side effects.
Side effects to oral antibiotics include stomach upset, headaches, dizziness, increased sun sensitivity, and sometimes liver problems as well. In terms of topical medications, your skin can become very sensitive to sunlight and can also be easily irritated. So a lot of patients don't tolerate topical medications very well, and they take time to work. The underlying cause of acne remains still a mystery, but we know that the follicle or the pore gets clogged, and what happens then is that either bacteria grows behind it and becomes a pimple or a pustule, or it just becomes a blocked pore, which is a blackhead or whitehead.
While there is still no miracle cure for getting rid of acne, there is a new option clinically proven to effectively treat mild to moderate cases, as well as patients who have not responded to oral or topical medication. The latest advancement is an aesthetic technology that combines a vacuum and a laser to unclog pores and clear the skin. It's called IsoLase.
The IsoLase works in several ways to clear acne. The use of the vacuum allows the body's natural pressure to force the sebum out of the sebaceous gland onto the surface of the skin. This removes the food supply for the P. acne bacteria that has created the acne in the first place. The second way is that the light itself destroys that P. acne bacteria, eliminating it as a source for creating acne.
For the patient, this means an immediate relief from acne symptoms, and for the physician it means very simple, fast method of treating acne. What inspired the creation of this technology was the unmet need in the marketplace for painless, effective treatment, aesthetic procedures that are also safe.
While typical oral medication can take 6 to 12 weeks for noticeable improvements, many patients who use the IsoLase treatment have reported immediate clearance of lesions within 24 to 48 hours after each session.
I noticed results almost immediately. When I left the doctor's office, my skin was glowing. My skin already looked better. 24 or 48 hours later, my acne was really healing. My skin was a lot smoother and brighter. My husband noticed right away, and there were no negative side effects. It was a very positive experience. The treatment itself was painless, it was fast, it was great.
Well, the IsoLase is really revolutionary new technology for treating acne because it targets both that clogged pore or that clogged follicle and the underlying cause of the P. acnes, the bacteria that causes acne. So it's treating both the inflammation and the bacteria itself, which helps not only clear the acne faster, but helps it keep clear without any systemic side effects and without making your skin more sensitive.
Aesthera Corporation, an innovator in the medical aesthetic industry, has developed the revolutionary product IsoLase, the first and only device of its kind to use photopneumatic technology to successfully clear acne quickly and painlessly.
Photopneumatic technology is the only technology that uses vacuum to cleanse the skin from the inside out while simultaneously using light to treat the skin from the outside in. The major advantages are lack of pain, safety, and the only technology that can impact acne within 24 to 48 hours.
One of the key goals of Aesthera is to improve the lives of millions of acne sufferers by developing an effective and painless treatment option to successfully clear acne.
Photopneumatic technology brings hope to millions of Americans by allowing them to have a very effective, safe, painless procedure, and for the first time the ability to get immediate relief. Aesthera strives to become the global leader in the device-based aesthetic procedure marketplace. In order to do that, Aesthera will develop and continue to vigorously innovate new technologies that bring hope to billions of people around the world.
It's changed my practice tremendously because now I'm able to offer a therapy that I know will work, that I know will have an immediate impact, that I know will change a person's outlook on their face, their skin, and eventually their life, really, because acne is a severe problem that really restricts people's ability to go and thrive and be happy and feel secure.
This new treatment option is not only changing the way dermatologists treat acne, but it's also transforming the lives of many Americans that suffer from the condition.
The Isolase was great, didn't hurt a bit, didn't even feel it, just felt a warm sensation. And for the first time my skin is clear. I didn't want to try other antibiotics and other treatments because of the side effects. And for the first time my skin is smooth, the colors come back, and it's clear.
For more information about Isolase or to find a treatment provider in your area, visit us online at isolase.com.